Hi friends, today I'm gonna make a new Lego set, which is gonna be this one. You can do the police and SWAT. Now let's open it. And here are the instructions. First, we're gonna make this vehicle. And I got a Lego big separator. And now we're gonna make the human first, and then we can make the car. Okay, where's the arm? Okay, let's make them anything. And we need this. Out. And then another one of this. And now we can attach the hands, which is gonna be this. Out. How should I even attach this? I'll just leave it like that, and we'll do the second one. Okay, I'm done. Now we're gonna make this Lego car. First, we need all of these parts over here. One of that and two of that. 1, 2. To make all of the stuff we just got. So first we need this, and then this. And the next one will be this and this, which we will be joining them like this. Then after that, we're gonna add 2 wheels. Not wheels, the base for the wheels. This one will be over here. And this one will be over here. And next we're gonna be okay, found it. This and next 2 of the spirally ones. Got one. Where's the spot? Yeah, this is one. Then the second one is going to be here. Okay. And next, we're going to take this joining part. Got 1 and 2. And now we're gonna build all of these. This over there, and this over there, that. And next we're going to put this spiraling thing over there. And we're gonna put all of these on top of them. These 2. This over there. Here. And next we're going to the next one, which is going to be here. We're going to take all of these parts. This will be like that. And we need to take this piece and put it over here. Like that. And this transparent pieces on top. And we're gonna take these two and put them on the sides. And after that, we're gonna take this and put it right over here. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna do step number 4, which we need all of these parts. This will be over here. Wait, there's another one. And this will be over here. Good. And there we go. We're done with this. Next, we're gonna move to number 5. We got all the parts. And we're gonna make the upper part of. Done making the upper part. Next, we're gonna move to 6. And we will need all of these. And this. And then one of those towel pieces. And after that, we'll take one of this slope. No, not the slope. I mean the tile again, but a different color. The tile piece over here. And this one over there. And another one of them just on top there. And the lights. Okay. We're almost going to be done. Next, we're going to move to 7, which is just adding the tires. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to add these tires. Okay, we attached the tires. Wait, we're done? Okay. Now we're done with everything. Here's the final results of our car.
Wait.
And this is our final results of our car. Next, we're gonna make the back attachments of it, which will be this. And 2 of those. I got all the pieces here, so we're gonna build them right now. Okay, we're done on this. Next, I guess we just have to attach this over there. And so we're done with our truck. Next, we're going to build a helicopter to put it over here. Okay, now we're gonna build the helicopter. Ow. Okay. Search. Okay, now we're gonna do this number 14. We're gonna make the lights on top. First we need this and these two transparent slopes. And next we're gonna put this piece over there and then another one just like that. And take these like shoe things and put one of these ones. Next we're gonna take this and do the same thing for it also. Ow. Okay. We got it. And now we can attach these two over here. Like that. Meanwhile, when I was doing it, my sister just broke. Meanwhile, when I was building the helicopter, my sister just broke my car. And I have to fix it. So I'll make the helicopter after I'm done fixing it. Okay, I'm done fixing it. And now we can go to the helicopter. We just need this and this. You put this on top, this over there, and this over here, like that, and it can spin. And now we're going to use over there. And now we can put just making the wings of the helicopter. And now we gonna make the back of it. Like this. We're gonna put that over there. And now we're just gonna attach this. Yeah, put this over there. And take this like thing and just poke a hole. Like that, right? You're still falling down. Trying to make this join over here. Just leave it like that. And now we can go to these transparent glasses. And next we're gonna put this on the edges over here. Okay, so we just have to paste the stickers. Will be going to be here. Done. This is gonna be here. And next, we're gonna take the police one. And put it on the car. Okay, done. Now we are going to attach the rest of the stickers. Okay. And then the other one, the other one's also here. But on the other side. Done. Now I'm attaching the stickers. Now we can just put, it doesn't fit, over there. Yeah, look, it's done. I'm done the helicopter.